Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint Microbubbles in medicine. This is the topic of discussion in today's video. That means microbubbles are used in medicine and how they are used in medicine, that is the topic of discussion. And what is the benefit of using those things, that is microbubbles. So microbubbles, the size of the microbubbles typically means a range varies from 1 micrometer to 10 micrometers. That is the range of the microbubbles, and they are able, those microbubbles are able to flow with the blood inside your blood vessels. Okay, because sizes are so small, tiny sizes are there. So, and these microbubbles carry medications, means inside them medications are there, required medications according to the disease. Okay, required medications are there, and they flow through your bloodstream and ultimately reach to the target site. And when they reach to the target site, in that case one more thing is required, and that is ultrasound technology. Ultrasound technology is required. That means ultrasonic waves are sent. Ultrasonic waves, what is the purpose of sending ultrasonic waves? When ultrasonic waves are sent, those microbubbles start vibrating. At low intensities, when the intensity of the ultrasonic waves is low, in that case what happens? They vibrate, but they vibrate gently. Means microbubbles vibrate gently. In that case, the penetration to the tissues become easier when they vibrate gently. But if you increase the intensity of the ultrasonic wave, then in that case they collapse, or means microbubbles collapse or burst, and therefore what happens? Therefore they release the medications at the targeted site. So this is a kind of targeted drug delivery. By using microbubbles we can achieve this, and this is in use at present. Okay, microbubbles are used to treat various diseases. In case of a cancer, chemotherapy is used. So what is the purpose? To use microbubbles in case of a chemotherapy is to minimize the side effects, because this is a kind of targeted drug delivery. So when the microbubbles reach to the tumor site, in that case those ultrasonic waves are sent, and therefore the drugs are released at the tumor location only. So healthy tissues remain unaffected that way. So in case of chemotherapy, this technology or the microbubbles can be used, are used actually. Okay, in not all the cases, but in many cases these are used. Again, for the treatment of stroke. So in case of stroke, you know that blood clots are there, and requirement is what? Requirement is dissolving the blood clots. So by sending these microbubbles, they actually create cavitation effect, and by using that effect, cavitation effect, blood clots are dissolved, so that blood can easily reach your brain. In case of stroke, that is the requirement. Dissolving the blood clots is the requirement, and in that case also microbubbles can easily be used, combined with ultrasonic technology, ultrasound technology. Again, you know that in case of a brain, blood-brain barrier is there, and due to the presence of blood-brain barrier, delivery of drugs becomes next to impossible. So in that case, this technology again can be used, okay, to enhance the penetration of the drug into your brain. So for these purposes, this thing can be used. And at present, scientists are exploring new things, such as for gene therapy. They are exploring this technology further. This use of microbubbles, okay, for gene therapy, for again vaccine delivery, Okay, so new things are being explored by the scientists on this technology. Okay, microbubbles along with that ultrasonic waves. Again, for reversing the effect of antibiotic resistance, this technology is being explored by the scientists at present. So many advantages are there. And what are the actually advantages? First is targeted drug delivery. That is possible. In traditional medicine, what happens? The medicine goes to your entire body, and for that purpose, much amount of medicine is required, and that way toxicity increases in your body, side effects also increase. But whenever you are using targeted drug delivery, this technique, then in that case what happens? The amount of medications required becomes smaller. So that way toxicity in your body is reduced. Again, side effects are also reduced. So that is the advantage of using this technology. Though actually this method was discovered not for treatment. This method means use of microbubbles along with that ultrasound technology. This method was actually discovered for medical imaging purpose. As a contrast agent, microbubbles were used as a contrast agent. Okay, but very soon scientists discovered the potential of using the same technology in case of targeted drug delivery, and thereafter they discovered the method how to use this the same thing in case of targeted drug delivery. So many advantages are there of using microbubbles, but only microbubbles are not sufficient. You have to use ultrasound technology also, because by using ultrasonic waves you are able to increase or decrease the intensity of the vibration of the microbubbles according to the requirement. Okay, anyway, so this was all about today's topic, microbubbles in medicine. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.